To get the smile you've always wanted, Invis is the answer. You have a bunch of choices when it comes to straightening your teeth. Braces are common and other clear aligners are everywhere. So why is Invis the answer? Transforming smiles with more sophisticated technology and data points for more than 8 million smiles for better predictability, Invisalign is the world's most advanced clear aligner system. A specially engineered, patented material that's proven to move your teeth more precisely and more comfortably than ordinary aligners. Your treatment plan is built based on your doctor's prescription and years of research and intelligence from millions of patients. So your treatment experience is personalized to you, and only you. You don't have to make drastic changes to your lifestyle. Because Invisalign aligners are easily removable, you can still eat and drink what you want, and can even play sports without worrying about broken wires or brackets. Straightening your teeth with Invisalign is on average 5 months faster than braces. Also, studies showed that patients treated with aligners had less plaque and better periodontal health than those wearing braces. And what's more, no accidents from broken brackets or pokey wires in your mouth. For more comfort and predictability than other aligners and a faster, better experience than braces, Invis is the answer to transform your smile.